How to fix Instagram chat theme option not showing easily and fast on Android and iPhone too. So, first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, go into the apps, open the apps page, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. After that, scroll until you find the Instagram, click on it, click on the force stop, and after you click on it, now you have to go into the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions, go back, click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details, and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. And now you have to do one last thing, which is update your Instagram in the Play Store. It's very easy. Or what you want to do is search for it and then click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.